Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to check if OneDrive is syncing. To check if OneDrive is syncing on Windows, we have some steps for you. First, open OneDrive. Click the OneDrive or the cloud icon in the system tray. At the bottom right corner of the taskbar, check sync status. Hover over the OneDrive icon to see its sync status. Up to date or check. Everything is synced. Syncing or relooping icon. Files are currently updating or downloading. X. Error post or X icon. Syncing is stopped due to an issue. Open OneDrive folder. Go to File Explorer and open the OneDrive folder to see if files have the latest updates. Look for sync icons on files. Each file or folder will show a status icon. Green check mark. It is synced. Blue syncing arrows. Currently syncing. Red X. Sync error. Check OneDrive activity. Click the OneDrive icon. Here, you can view the sync activity to see recent file updates. Restart OneDrive if syncing is stuck. Click on the refresh or click the X button to select Close OneDrive, then reopen it from the Start menu. Check for OneDrive updates. If sync issues persist, go to OneDrive, click Settings, About, and update OneDrive if there's any available updates. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.